What is up, everybody? Dan and the Fireman here. There's an Easter sale going on. This is coming out Sunday, so this is the last day for it. 25% off. Link in the description for site-wide cardos. But we're going to jump right into this video and take a look at it. I pushed the wrong button. Let's go ahead and go. Banto the Biker. Link in the description. Use my discount code. Get 25% off. So open lane pattern. We saw that. So open lane pattern. We have this person wanting to come out because this person is going slow. Now, we would do the same thing, but we would check our mirrors. We would check everything, but we can't, they're not going to do it. I'm just going to say that. They're just not going to do it. So we have to do some good progressive braking. My goal is not to pause a lot on this one because we have a little bit left of this video. This is part 2. Nearly T-boned a car. Okay, so we have a side of the vehicle probably. Intersections coming up. Side of the vehicle. There it is. Popping out. Good job with the progressive braking. So let's go back just a little bit. So progressive braking coming up to here. See it? They're going to continue going because they don't want to get hit. So we were going like 30 something. Now we're down to 14. That's all we have to do. We don't have to stop. We just need to slow down enough. Now, it'd be great if we could stop, but we're going to slow down enough just to let them through. Here we go. Rainier, hey, you're in the chat. So we have emerging incident here. Good job with your 360 situational awareness, being able to see that ahead of time. I said I'm not going to pause a lot. We're going to pause a little bit at the beginning. But we're coming up to here. We have an orange state situation. Remember, we're planning our ride the best we can. We're going to position for safety, locate this hazard situation. We're in orange stage. Assess if this person that's coming out is going to be a relevant threat and navigate this active one. And that's really important because they became one. Because they're going to merge into us. Yeah, so good job with the progressive braking in a turn. That was really good. So Brock Sheaves having some fun. Road looks a little bit terrible, but we got a supermoto though. Oh, we got some deer. Good job with the braking. When there's one, there's probably 500 more. Oh, don't come back. Get out of here. Good job with the braking. Yeah, crazy. So good job. Good job. All right. Chloe, open lane patterns. I could see it. Oh, we have a side of the vehicle. Somebody was leaving it open for them. That's fine. Good job with the braking. Get ourselves out of here. A little bit crooked on the camera angle, but that's fine. Another open lane pattern. That was kind of dumb. They jumped the curb. We have full gear. Looks like we have a full... Oh, we almost went a little bit wide. Pay attention. How fast are we going? Just by looking at the speedo, what do you guys think? What do you guys think? I mean, that might be RPMs, but who knows? Side of the vehicle, intersections. Okay, what are we doing? We're gonna have to find the escape. Okay, we found the escape. Here we go. What do we got here? Good space cushion. Somebody's gonna come into our lane because they passed. Whatever. Let them have it. Increase your space cushion again.
Extremely upset, and I'm just sitting in this.
Perfectly fine.
Listening to this guy.
Oh.
Just list things. I can tell he's reading the sheet word for word that I'm looking at.
Okay, so he's doing like a little after action, but it's a little bit low. So we're moving on to here. So decent space cushion. Now I can't see much, but we're going to position ourselves. Very good. They're going to switch lanes on us, so we can either accelerate or decelerate away from that. But we handled it. Very good. On the Kentish roads, back again. So we're coming through here. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pull into our place or park. Okay, we're parking. What are we going to do? What are we going to do? We found some road surface hazards. Oh, little... Probably got hit. We'll just... This will... At this... I would just leave it, but... Okay, wings are working. Maybe. There you go. Hey, you got a little feel good going on here. That's fine. I'm fine. Good job. Just ensure your own safety, because if we're going to be rescuing pigeons, make sure we remain calm. Maybe call 911. Who knows what they're going to do, right? Ensure your own safety. Watch out for hazards. Don't get hit by other vehicles. And stop any major bleeds. I don't think the tourniquet inside of our rescue pack would work just because it's a bird. It's a bird. But try your best. Quickly assess the severity. Who knows? It could have a head injury. So if it's all flippity-floppity, maybe a brain injury, traumatic brain injury, any spinal cord injuries. It looks like the arms are working. It could fly. So that looks fine. Any shock symptoms? You know, who knows? You might have to put a Mylar blanket, but it might suffocate the bird. So we'll just go ahead and put it there. It's perfectly fine. Good job rescuing the bird.
Oh, let's check out this accident.
Serious car accident.
Everybody's okay.
So if there's no EMS or police on scene, this is an opportunity for you to practice your stop the bleed skills, which I highly recommend you guys taking. I just took one this last Saturday.
Yo, is everybody okay? Cops on the... You need me to call anyone?
Cops are coming.
Coming. Okay. I hope...
There's the remain calm part. Those are the things you can do when you remain calm. So if they don't need help, they don't need help. You always have to ask for consent unless they are unconscious, and that's implied consent. Look up your Good Samaritan laws. Basically, Good Samaritan laws will protect... There's different states have different laws, different criteria, but basically you work within your scope. So if all you know how to do is apply direct pressure, you're not going to try a cricoid. You're not going to try to put a straw through their throat, because that would be out of your scope, and that can get you in trouble. Has to be with good intent. You are trying your best to help somebody in need. You weren't doing it because you wanted to get paid. You didn't do this because, you know, you want to steal their money after they, you know, you helped out or whatever. And then also neglect. Now, medical neglect is different in different states, but basically what you're doing is you're not like stomping on their chest for CPR. You're actually doing real CPR. You're actually working within what you're supposed to be doing. So if you're going to do direct pressure, you're not doing, like if they're bleeding out of their arm, you're not like squeezing their neck to stop their carotid because you think that's going to help the problem. No, you want to do the appropriate skill set. So check out your Good Samaritan laws. Yeah, very important. Unmarked police SUV creeping. Okay. Yeah, you could tell with the little LEDs in the front.
All right, man.
There's the MDC, the mobile data computer.
I'm not gonna run, man. It's a tail kit I just bought, and I just noticed that that thing is like...
Alright, just bend it down, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, ride safely, okay?
Don't give yourself away. Don't tell them what you did wrong. Be like, hey, what's up? What do you want? What you need? Don't be like, hey guys, you know, I have a warrant for my arrest. I have a gun in my pocket. I'm a felon, so I shouldn't be having the gun. I have a tail tidy kit that is actually, you know, it's actually a stolen license plate, and I have some meth on in my back pocket. And the dude just wanted to say, hey, I like your bike, and you're just threw it all out. Yeah, I stole this bike too, by the way. You don't want to do that. I don't recommend doing that. That's not smart at all. So just, hey, what's up, buddy? Just talk to him like normal. All right. Thank you so much, MotoStars, for putting this video out. But guys, remember, we are raising money for the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. Let's go ahead and get that back up here. This is going to be like the end where, you know, 40% of you are still watching. But we are raising money for men's mental health and prostate cancer research, testicular cancer research. The Movember Foundation is a huge part of this. I am an ambassador this year, so I don't know. It's not announced yet, but I'm announcing it here. But so far, we've raised $24,000. We're trying to hit $6,000 as of today. As of right now, on Wednesday, this is 502. So thank you so much to everybody that has been donating. Please, links in description. Great cause. Can't wait to do this in May. But with that said, 534. With that said, hope you guys ride safe, be safe, and I'll see you on the next video.